As the female king slithers, she secretes pheromones, leaving a potent scent trail along the forest floor. For the eager male who picks up the scent, it's a roadmap to her affections. Finding her is only the beginning of his trials. Females are often wary of the larger males, and with good reason. He could kill her if she does not accept him. But she could also kill him, so he bumps and nudges her with his nose. An eager flirtation. Eventually, the seduction works, and our female relents. She spreads her hood and raises her head off the ground. Mating can take as long as an hour. If all goes well, in about a month, she'll lay some 20 to 40 eggs. The heirs to the throne. When another male wanders into their territory, rising higher than a meter, each tries to pin the other to the ground. Final, non-venomous blow, the contest is ended. The resident male has lost, and he must leave his territory and his mate. At first, the new male king cobra seems to be merely persistent in his courtship, and the tagged female playing hard to get. But she's carrying another male's eggs. Is it possible he senses the rival's offspring? For whatever reason, his intentions turn from mating to murder. He is her physical superior, but she will not surrender. This death roll might be the final fight for freedom, or simply the final breath of life, but it signifies the end.